Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you Java greater than comparison operator. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Java greater than and comparison operator? Well, basically, Java greater than and comparison operator is used to like tell Java or ask Java is if a big number is bigger than a small number. Okay, so to like make you understand better, I will show you some examples so that you can understand better. By showing examples by using the greater than comparison operator. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to write int a, or any variable a, is equals to 12, and then we write int b is equals to 4, and then we write system.out.println. Inside these parentheses we write a is greater than b. So we are literally just asking Java if a is greater than b. So when you ask Java this question, Java is gonna respond to you back true, because 12 is greater than 4, right? And 12 is not equal to 4. 12 is not equal to 4, and 12 is 12. 12 is not equal to 4, and 4 is equals to 4, and 12 is equals to 12, and 12 is greater than 4, and 12 is not less than 4. So when you put the opposite of greater than, less than, it's gonna give you the result false, because 12 isn't less than 4, right? But 12 is greater than 4. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to write this same condition with different like loops, or with different statements, or with different loops. Like for example, we can write the same condition and change it a little bit, like in the for loop or the if statement. Okay, so I'll just remove the system.out.println, and now I'm going to show you some examples by using this same exact the exact same condition. The exact same condition by using the if statement. So first of all, we have to write if, and then inside these parentheses, and these parentheses are always so important, so don't forget to put them as well. And if a is greater than b, so we're just telling Java if a is greater than b, then Java should do this stuff. So Java will have to print b if 12 is greater than 4, or if a is greater than b, and yes, it printed 4. It printed b, right? Because 12 is greater than 4. But if you write the opposite of it, it's not gonna print b. It's gonna print nothing, because the condition is false. It's not true. So whenever it's like the condition is true, it's gonna run. But if it's false, it's not gonna run. These are the rules of Java, and of course they make sense, doesn't it? Don't they? I mean, okay. Now I'm gonna show you this exact same condition by using the for loop. Not in for inside these parentheses, just like the if statement, always important. For a is greater than b, semicolon, a is equals to 2, and then we write a plus plus. So we can just do increment, write any condition, but I'm just showing you example. I know it's just gonna give me error. I'll just replace it like that, like this. So when we're gonna execute this code, it's gonna print nothing because A has now become 2, and 2 is not greater than 4, right? 2 is less than 4. So yeah, and it's not gonna increment either, yeah. So yeah, we can just write the same condition, but we have to change it a little bit. But yeah, it's not like for loop. It's gonna give you an error, so you have to change it a little bit. You need to add some increment, or you need to add some stuff out there, And yes, it's like the for loop. You have to add the curly braces too every time you write your condition and all of that stuff. Yeah, as you can see, it didn't run the code. Yeah, the code didn't run, so let me just refresh the code again. Yeah, A is greater than A is less than B. Okay, so when we execute this code, it's gonna give us the result 2, 3, because we also added like the increment, right? So if we remove the increment, oh yeah. It's still gonna print 2 forever. That's because we're printing A in the for loop. But if we print A outside of the for loop, then it's gonna work. Look. Wait, let me you would just stop this program. Oh, wait, I'll just execute it. Oopsies. Why is it not working? Oh, I guess it's not working. But yeah, so when you put it like in this for loop, like it's keep gonna loop and like till infinity, and yeah, it will cause a lot of lag. Yeah, guys, that's how you write. That's how you write your condition by using the not the less than, the greater than. Yeah, the greater than comparison operator in Java, and in Java, yeah, in for loop and in if statement. And yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so it will remind you whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.